The main attraction for me on this unit are the balconies. There are 3 separate terraces and you're on the top floor, the 24th floor. Good morning. I'm here at the public market at Central Chidlom, and today I'm going to give you an update regarding the day in the life of a real estate broker in Bangkok. And I'm starting here from this mall because I want to show you how easy it is to get to the unit that I want to present today. So the public market is located between the Central Chidlom and the Central Embassy. And if you walk down here, you get to Somkid Road, and we are going to a building called Somkid Garden. Down here you have the food hall, a lot of great food. There is a Tops supermarket here. So it's literally only 400 meters from the BTS station towards Somkid Gardens. And this is the reason why I want to show you this walkthrough. Somkid Gardens is in an extremely good location next to the Central Chidlom Malls and the Central Embassy Mall. The Central Embassy Mall is actually over here. And I'm not going to speed this one up. I'm just going to show you the actual time that it takes you to walk to your building. They are constructing a new hotel here, and this whole plot here, this area, this used to be the British Embassy, and there's going to be a big central shopping mall in the future. So here we are at the Somkid Gardens. Very well maintained building. Sawadee krap. So this is a unit that we've been taking care of already for a couple of years, and it just became available again, and it's for rent and it's for sale. So I'm gonna pick up the key and I'm gonna make a nice video to show you guys how it looks. Later I will show you the facilities as well. So we've been taking care of this unit already for several years. It's for sale and for rent. And if you want to rent it, it's 150,000 baht per month. If you want to buy it, it's 74 million. And 74 million is about 2.1 million US dollar and 1.9 million euro. The main attraction for me on this unit are the balconies. There are 3 separate terraces. And you're on the top floor, the 24th floor. Down here you have the Central Embassy Mall, and this used to be the British Embassy, and there's going to be a big construction going on there in the future. But especially when you buy it, that might actually be a plus because it will upgrade the whole area. There you have the One City Center, you have the head office of the Bank of Ayutthaya. But let me show you a bit more inside of the unit. So as I mentioned, this is a duplex. It's only 2 bedrooms, So they turned it into a 2-bedroom. Here you have the middle balcony, I would almost say. Spacious living room. And this is your sunset balcony. So you would have a morning balcony where you can have breakfast. And this is your dinner balcony. The sun sets over there. And here you have a great view of the whole Central World area and Chit Lom. This construction just finished last year. This is an office tower. So let me show you the bedrooms upstairs. So first here you have the master bedroom. Nice corner unit here, great views in the night. There what you see in front, that is the Big C and Central World. So here you have a very nice spacious bathroom. So even though the unit only has 350 square meters or 3,676 square feet, it's very spacious. You have big bedrooms, big living room. You can see the BTS passing by there. The second bedroom. If you're interested in renting or buying this apartment, feel free to send us an email at info@sqft.com. At Sqft Homes, we actually helped hundreds of people in the past 10 years with relocating to Bangkok, and we managed to find them some nice places, and I'm pretty sure we can help you as well. Anyway, enough about this apartment here. Let's go down and let me show you the facilities. So you have a nice classic lobby in here. And then here to the left, you go to the swimming pool. As I mentioned before, this building opened in 1991. It's very well maintained. Everything looks in good shape. There's a small gym over here. And a tennis court. Let me show you inside the gym as well. You know, the older buildings mostly have smaller gyms. There's a sauna here. There's also a small basketball court here, and this is in the garden area. You can even play some badminton. It's nice to have a little oasis like this in the center of town. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the unit here at the Somkid Garden. I love to share these kind of penthouses, and we take care of this unit. So if anybody is interested in renting or buying, just let me know. And if you're an agent and you want to co-broke, we are happy to deal with you. Anyway, if you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.